welcome back to the channel. Today is April the 6th, 2025, and we are in Huber Heights, Ohio at Ohio's First Buc-ee's.
How's the weather today, Sonia?
I've had all seasons in one weekend. It is cold. It is now winter today.
It's about 41 degrees. We came down here yesterday. We thought we had a small window of a break in the rain to put the drone up, but what happened to that small window?
It closed.
So we spent the day yesterday kind of traveling around between Troy and Piqua and Sydney, taking a look at all the flooding. We posted a video today, which today is Sunday, so I don't know when we'll get this uploaded, if it's Monday or Tuesday, but go ahead and check that out. We've had a lot of rain this past week, every day almost, and just all that rain. It wasn't a major event or anything, it was just a lot of rain. And the Great Miami River came out of its banks and created a lot of problems for a lot of people. And it was supposed to rain all day today, and it hasn't. So hopefully all the people that are suffering from the flooding will get a little bit of a break, and the water
will, yeah.
We're both about ready to say the same thing.
Yeah.
The water will recede. Flying today was kind of a treat because for the first time in about 4 weeks, we weren't fighting terrible winds where we didn't do any more flying than we had to just to capture what we could. But today I was able to fly into the site and get some closer looks at different things. It's been,
Updated,
in the last several weeks, so that's good. You'll see that in the video. The building site itself, it looks to me like it's pretty close to be pouring the slab. It's very well defined, the retail section from the back section. You can see where the restrooms are going to be. And I'm not 100% sure, but there is a small oval in the center of the store that just might be the area where they do the sandwiches in the bakery. But we were talking, and typically that area is on the other side of the restrooms, or the restroom entrance. So not real sure if they do them all the same or if they're all a little bit different, but it really looks like that oval right there is where they do the sandwiches. So I mean, we'll all find out soon enough. But the north parking lot, a lot of concrete there. And also a little bonus in the north parking lot, there's several air conditioning or refrigeration units sitting there, brand new. Not sure if they're rooftop units or if they go around back for the cooling systems or for the refrigeration systems for the food. But there's several of them there, and they're all brand new. The fuel islands, not real sure what they're doing there, but you can see a lot of underground work being done. And over by the fuel storage tanks, you can see all the lines coming out that'll be running over to the fuel pumps, things that you don't normally see. The south parking lot, not too much has changed since the last time we've been down here, but they're slowly making some progress. Things are moving along.
They say once they start on the building, it'll go quick.
I believe that. I think it's gone quick just in the last couple weeks.
Yeah.
So hopefully real soon, we'll get to see the slab poured on the retail store and the walls start to go up. One of these days the sign will be out in the parking lot. So I guess that's going to do it for today. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
See you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
This is one of the fuel islands. You can see the progress and the work that's been going on here. This is the north parking lot. You can see a whole lot of progress has been made here. This is the area where the underground fuel storage tanks are located. You can see the progress that's been made here. Looks like a lot of the lines have been run. Here's the site for the retail store. You kind of see in this video here the separation from the retail side to the back part of the store. This is the area where the south parking lot will be located. This construction equipment is located at the exit ramp from I-70 to State Route 235, where the new BUC-EE'S is being built. It's possible that this construction equipment is here for the interchange upgrade that needs to take place for the new BUC-EE'S. Thinking that this oval that's located on the center right part of the picture might be the location for the sandwich area. In the back side of that would be the sweet area where they sell the fudge and the roasted almonds and pecans. Let us know in the comments if you agree that this will be the location for the sandwich and sweet area of the new BUC-EE'S. These are the 5 new refrigeration units that are new to the location this week. They're located in the north parking lot.